YouTube fam? What's going on, guys?
Hey!
Welcome back to the channel. So I'm still up here on the top of this mountain, as you've seen in from one of the previous videos. We're, I don't know, probably 2/3 or 3/4 of the way up the mountain. A lot of snow and ice. There's even a little bit on the road as we go down. Anyway, I got my Mavic 2 Pro. I got something I've been wanting to try for a long time. So I'm gonna put it up and have it active track us back down the mountain. So yeah, we're gonna put it up and set it and get in the truck and drive back down the mountain and let you guys watch us drive down the mountain on the icy roads. It's not too bad, but there's a few patches of ice. So here we go, guys. Check it out. We're gonna put the drone up and you guys can watch us drive back down the mountain. Roll the footage.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we crickets see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.